Oh, hello everyone. Now, most of my mosaics usually have a single creature in them, like a peacock, but what I've found is whenever I include two creatures, you automatically get a relationship going. And this is the latest in my series of heart-shaped mosaics. Now, the classic would be the two swans, who do, in real life, form a heart, but I've had great fun in trying to make other creatures do that. In this case, these foxes. As you can see, they form a heart, the negative space between them forms a heart, their tails are a heart, it's on a heart shape, the andamento, the movement of the background, are in concentric hearts. So there we are, hearts within hearts within hearts. And this time, they're vexed vixens. You can see they're not very pleased with each other. Maybe they're two sisters having an argument. I'm sure some of you can relate to that one.